Hi friends, a warm welcome from Bhima Monk. You must have noticed how the events have shaped up from lockdown 1.0 to 5.0. It seems like a hint for everyone to enter a self-protection mode from the government, which is even evident from the Atmanirbharata campaign for being more self-reliant. So, having said this, I would like to recommend a few must-have insurance policies from the insurance viewpoint. So I urge each one of you to get adequately insured, as this pandemic that we are in made us witness a few scenarios like COVID testing not conducted on time, and also the lack of beds or denial of beds. There was a doctor's incident in Maharashtra which was in the news recently, and due to lack of bed, he had to succumb to it finally. And there is lack of proper hygiene at the state-run hospitals also. And there is so much of outcry on social media which you must have been witnessing about the delays of the procedural delays and stuff like that. So as to be more self-reliant or Atmanirbhar, one has to now look at taking the treatments from the private hospitals, be it for better facilities or for demanding the treatment in a proper way. For this, one has to assess how much of insurance cover they already have, which is either self-sponsored or organization-sponsored, if he or she is working, and if the cover is through ESI or from any group health insurance policy also. Though ESI has no limits on their coverage amounts, the facilities at the ESI for treating the COVID is still not an option because of the lack of quarantine facilities, which you may not be seeing them at the ESI hospitals as of now. And for the people with group health insurance policy or individually opted health insurance, the adequacy of coverage of sum insured is a big question mark here, as most of these group insurance policies cover the entire family on a floater basis, which may range from 1 lakh to 5 lakhs, which is still not adequate since the treatment for COVID is very high. It is ranging from 3 lakhs, anywhere from 3 lakhs and upwards only. And with comorbidities and all, the complexity is increasing, it may go beyond 10 lakhs also. This disease being contagious, it could wipe out all the floater sum insured for treating one person alone, plus any personal savings also, making no other cover or amounts left for the remaining family members if they were to contact this kind of a highly contagious disease. Our recommendation for everyone is to have a basic health insurance cover with a minimum of 2 or 3 lakhs, plus a super top-up policy up to 20 lakhs. It's a combination of 0 to 20 lakhs with a base policy and a super top-up policy. And it would be a highly effective combination because in terms of pricing and also for being most competitive and pocket friendly. Apart from this, we also recommend the breadwinner to be covered with a minimum of sum insured of 5 times under a term insurance policy, which is 5 times their annual gross income plus any outstanding loan liabilities like a car loan or a home loan. So this also is a must for, these three are the must-haves during this COVID times. And we expect you to contact your own agent immediately. And also, even if you would like to contact us, we are here to help you, because we as an insurance broking firm can get you the best possible cover with several suitable options from across all insurance companies, be it LIC or any other public sector companies and private companies. I end this talk by saying that insurance is for being better prepared and to take all these 3 policies, but from wherever, but be quick and act fast. We are here to help you. Thank you so much.